All right, standing outside the Wildwood Heritage Glen fifth wheel.
356QB.
Three, what is it?
356QB.
What's QB? I haven't heard
Queen bed is what I'm going to go for.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, that's fair.
Yep.
All right, so let's talk about it then.
43 feet long,
Okay.
dual suite. I'm going to call it a dual suite, but you got a huge bunkhouse in the back, dual entrance, dual bathroom. So it's basically a giant vacation for you and your family.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love it. And then we got the outdoor kitchen back here in the back.
Absolutely.
I mean, outdoor kitchens are nothing new, but I just love pointing them out because I love cooking outside, especially when there's a party atmosphere going on.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
So you got, I believe that is a 22-foot awning out there.
Okay.
So you can run all that all the way out, dual speakers, outside TV hookup there. But of course, just like you said, this awesome outside kitchen.
Yeah.
Plumbed in sink, cast iron griddle out there so you can cook the breakfast, eggs, all that, all fun stuff. Outside fridge for all your drinks.
Yeah. And we just got, my wife and I just got a Blackstone, a big 36-inch whatever. Life-changing.
Oh, yeah.
So having a griddle on one of these things, that's awesome.
And it's cast iron, so it keeps all that bacon grease soaked up in there. Oh,
Yep.
Love it.
Yep. Oh my gosh, it's fantastic. So yeah, you got everything you need. You got cover here in case it is sprinkling or a little messy, and you keep the smell out of the. Not that a bacon smell is bad, but there are times when you don't want it in the house.
Oh, yeah.
You make it out here and make all your neighbors jealous unless you invite them over.
And like I said, so you have one entrance there, and when the kids are getting rambunctious, getting all kinds of muddy, you have a whole second entrance to the back of the camper back here that goes straight into the major suite.
Oh wow.
Well, we kept it locked.
It's locked.
Yeah.
I don't even know if
one
we've.
second.
I don't know if I've seen the door in the back of the trailer yet. I've done this for a few years now. Maybe I have.
Straight into the
Yeah.
bathroom, which also goes into the bunkhouse of the camper.
Yeah, and this is great. You're out doing whatever. You don't want people trampling through your RV.
It also comes with the backup camera, and you can also use that as a security system too. So if you're worried about your kids getting out in the middle of the night, keep that backup camera on you.
It's great.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, so I say we get inside and take a look.
Absolutely.
I feel like we'll see that bathroom again soon. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Jump inside here. You want to go first, so you don't see the shot of our butts walking in there? Did you yell at me the last time we shot some stuff? All right. Oh yeah. When you tell the air conditioning's been on in here, feels good. Whoa. Yeah. I dig the. Sorry, it takes me a second when you get in. I just kind of like look around and take it all in. This is cool. Very roomy.
So as soon as you walk in, we passed a little area for you to put on your shoes, take them off, and hide them directly underneath those stairs there, so that way you're not walking around trampling in all the mud and everything.
Yeah.
I keep my house clean, and of course my camper too.
Yeah. So we got our living space slash. Good night. Let me start over.
It's definitely Monday.
Yeah. We got our living space plus our kitchen area and dinette area all right here, which is kind of nice. We got a broom falling down in there. That's spooky.
Yep.
This specific trailer is haunted. Not all of them are, but this one is, and that's what just happened back there.
Yeah. But plenty of cabinetry space over top of the TV to keep all your DVDs, PlayStation, all that fun stuff. Still love the mirrored finish on the fireplace there. Keeps this area nice and warm while you're camping. Sound bar controls inside and outside speakers. This can be swapped out for theater seating if you like to recline like I do.
Okay.
Big refrigerator with the wine bar directly, or wine cooler directly above that.
That's awesome.
I always thought it was just a cool design choice. It actually holds wine.
Yeah. Something with this too, just a little tip. I don't know what. Yeah, this. I would suggest, like, if you get this, going out and buying a different. Get the arm that comes out.
Well,
you know what I'm saying? Because this one doesn't look like it comes out.
So it should rotate, and if it doesn't, that should be the exact same mount that actually goes outside.
Outside.
Yep.
Yeah, this one looks like. Yes, it's pretty much just fastened to this.
Yeah, then it should be the same mount that goes on the outside.
Yeah, you can see where it slides in, which is awesome. Just take this outside and you're good to go. I just like the idea of being able to pull it around and look at it straight here. But of course, you could turn that slightly to face the TV. But Yeah. So big U-shape
Oh yeah.
dinette.
Fits everybody for when you play cards, euchre, all that fun stuff while you're camping. Of course, it turns into a full-size bed for more sleeping, but you're not really going to need that when we get back to that big bunkhouse.
Yeah. Which is right behind me.
Oh yeah.
Check it out. Oh, it's just some more cabinet space. Pretty deep cabinets for what's it called?
Groceries.
Well, groceries. What do you call oh my gosh, we've talked about them already today. The pantry.
Yeah.
That's it. Woo! Those big words. This is a big bunkhouse.
Absolutely.
The slides on either side from each other.
So entertainment,
A lot of space.
entertainment center, but these storage doors also hold 300 pounds, so you get up on that teddy bear mattress up there.
Okay.
Of course, lights, windows, everything there.
Yeah. And then there's the.
Yep, there's that full-size bathroom.
Show you that again. Yeah, you get your sink. You got a shower with a little bit of a tub in there. Let me turn this on so you can see what's going on in here. There we go. So a little tub down there. Pet, small kid, or a very flexible person. You can roll up into a little ball. Medicine cabinet, some more storage above here. So again, you got, this is where the kids are hanging out or your other friends. You come right in here. They don't have to go back through the place to use the restroom.
So on this side of the slide, of course, you have the full-size, or a nice mattress above there
Yeah.
for any more sleeping. But of course, this is a full-size queen bed here.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put this back up.
Back up.
And then these both cushions pull right out. Set them over here.
See the handle there in the back of that couch. Pull it out easily.
And this turns directly into a queen bed, basically a mattress folded in half.
Yeah.
And the whole thing removes too. So if you guys want to turn it, if you want to turn this into a kennel area for dogs, or you want a crib maybe for the kids, anything like that, this whole thing slides out. It's not bolted down or anything like that. So
Awesome.
have an infant now, want to turn it into a getaway later when they turn into teenagers.
Yeah.
Could be your forever camper.
Love it. It's directly across from the entertainment center.
Oh yeah.
Whether they use that or they're sitting there on their phones. Mm-hmm. More storage over here. Did we point this out yet?
Nope.
I don't remember if we pointed this out yet. Yeah, there you go. Hang some stuff there. Love it.
Lots of space.
Tell you what, you got kids, they're going to love it back here.
Their own separate area.
Yep, absolutely love it back here. Oh, we've got nice tall ceilings in here. And we'll head back up here to the haunted room.
Check out the bathroom first.
Yeah. Move this broom that fell down. You're gonna come back in here? Okay. Good night. I just almost lost my mic. All right, so here's I am 6 foot tall. I'm 6 foot tall, and I can fit in the shower really nicely. A little more space if you're taller. I like these little racks up here. That's kind of cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So a medicine cabinet, sink, and then your porcelain toilet. And then, of course, the
Master suite.
Yeah. Let's take a look at this. Feels good in here. I love the air conditioning. Feels this good. Sliding closet, so you got room here for your washer dryer hookup.
Yep.
And then on the other side, let's seal this back up. Over here, you got your closet space with the space in the back for shoes or folded clothes. And of course, you got folded clothes here and a TV backer.
And of course, a place to put on all your shoes or anything up here as well.
Yep.
Full-size queen bed. I believe you can upgrade that to a king as well.
Okay.
But
yeah, this is great.
Full standing mirror to make sure you look good for date night.
Yeah. Yeah, I think everything you need in here. In this
Home away from home.
RV. Says behind you, outlets on both sides of the bed.
Yep.
Yeah, great. Yeah, it's perfect. All right, so there we go. If you want to get one of these, you need to get hold of us. We'd love to get you into this. This is definitely a nice RV. I could spend a lot of time in this.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Or
Or
family
outside
could.
of the kitchen. Yeah, absolutely. And not even know they're here. I mean, the kids are clear on the other side.
Whole 40 feet away.
Yep. Love it. All right, get hold of us.